Hello friends, welcome to part 4 of the CSS animation series. So in this part we'll first start with animating a list, animating a mailing list. So I had already created the mailing list because this is not a CSS tutorial but this is an animation tutorial. So the HTML is all done. So as you can see, a body, we have a class pop-up, ID is a pop-up, then a container is there in which h1 is there, this update your skill, join the mailing list, and input type email is there, and submit is there. Even the CSS is all done. So this is the CSS is all done, font, weight and everything, and we have created a nice box containing all this. So after that, so we will start with the animation. So for that we will first choose this, our pop-up. So let me choose that, pop up, and top is minus 400 pixel. So we are removing it from the its visible screen because we will bring it from the top. Animation is drop 0.5 second, is forwards. So now let make it keyframes and drop. So we are using the percentage thing now, as we can use the from and to also, but we can use this also. Opacity is 0 at 70%. Transform translate y, because this is the y-axis. Transform translate y 700 px, and at 100% transform translate y 650 px, and opacity is 1. So let me save it, and I have given this wrong, animation. Now it is right. So see, it came from the top. So this is our simple animation which we can do it for our mailing list, so that when the page starts it drops from the top. So next we are going to do so let me dispose this. So next what we are going to do, we are going to do a animation for a e-commerce site. Okay, a simple e-commerce page is there. We'll do the animation for that, and we are using some image which is already there in our image. See this T1, T2, T3, and basket is also there. T1, this some t-shirts are there. Okay, so this is the HTML, and we are also using a little bit of jQuery. So if you want, you can replace it with JavaScript also. It's very easy. So we're not going to learn much about it because this is again a CSS animation series. So we let me first go live and see. It is looking like this. it is looking like this. Everything is done and our basket is also done. So we have a little script here. So this script, it is used to create a class zoom. When the user click on any item, it will create a class zoom, and it will also remove it after 1000 millisecond. Okay, so this simple script is there. So why this style is coming? Because in a style.css, what it is there, I already had put the styles for it. Let me remove the space. Yeah, so this basket style is there. It will not affect anything from our previous project, so you can take it from the GitHub. Nothing is there. So just like header, we are doing padding and display block and all these things, basket li and all these things we are doing, and this nice animation is done. So now it's time for the animations. So for the animations, first, as I told you, this creates a zoom, add class of zoom when we click on any of the li. So any of the li means, or any of the button, this add to basket button, when we click, so it does that. So dot zoom, position is absolute, top is 40 px, right is 50%, width is 40 px. So we save it. So okay, so let me check whether it is working. See, when I click on it, see, a simple t-shirt is formed for how much millisecond? 1000 millisecond, means 1 second. See, this t-shirt is formed, this t-shirt is formed. Okay, so now we want to animate it so that it can move into the basket. It can nicely move into the basket. So what we are going to do, we are going to make it a opacity of 0. Initially the opacity is 0. Animation, oh, I don't want this much. See, this auto filled everything. I don't want everything. So animation zoom 1 second is forwards. So then after that, add keyframes zoom at 0%, opacity will be 0, at 50%, opacity will be 1, at 100%, opacity will be 0, and right will be 40 px. So let me save it, and let me come here, and if I click something, see, it goes there, goes there, goes there, and goes into the basket. The animation is shown as if it is going into the basket. So this completes our this animation. So we are going to do the last animation. So for this, let me close both of them, and actually I have created a new folder known as rotate. which have this panel and this style.css. Okay, style.css is also there. So let me go live. So I had gone live, and this is what it is right now without our animation. Cards are there, so these cards we are going to flip. So this will flip a card animation. So this pick a card is there, panels is there, panel ally is there, hello. So the back has this world, get to, this is the back side. Okay, so it will show a good flipping animation. And we have the CSS also, basic CSS panels and everything. So it is coming like this. So first we are going to do this panels, this back which is not showing. So let us target that. Dot panels div dot back transform rotate y 90 tick. So this is the other animation, hello, and world was below it. So let me do it. See the hello world, so world was below it, so we are first hiding it. Okay, so we are first hiding it by rotating it, rotating at the y-axis to 90 degrees, so it is not visible to the naked eyes. So after that, what we are going to do, dot panels div dot front, so the front which is visible, we're targeting that position absolute. So I'm making the position as absolute. Okay, I have written something wrong. Yeah, it should be like this. So absolute, so it is now showing like this. So now we are going to add panels ally. So ally is this complete ally. So when we hover over it, then div dot front, when you hover over it, then what will div dot front become? It will become animation. I don't want that again. Animation. The animation name we will keep as 12 and 0.2 sec is in forwards. Similarly, panels ally hover div back, again it will have a 12 animation, and 0.2 0.2 sec ease out forwards and reverse. Okay, so now at keyframes TWIRL 0% transform rotate y 0 degree and the second one will be at 100% transform Y, rotate to 90 degree. Let me save it. Yeah, everything is right. See, I take over it. It shows the other one. Super Mario Kart, jQuery, Tempest Switch, Foo, Ba, Get 2, Chapa Hello, and I take it out, so the same thing become. So this is how our cool animation of lip animation works. This complete our CSS animation series. Hope you learned something from it. Please subscribe to my channel for more series like this.